Hello everyone, welcome back to Serpwizz. This is Natalie and today we are back again with another one of our tutorials from our Ahrefs series. And like the previous videos, we usually make a review slash tutorial of how their tools work and what we can expect from them. And previously we have done all of their free SEO tools as well as the extra features and tools that are included. As of the most recent videos that we have made, we are highlighting now on their main or core tools, which can be found here on the uppermost part of the page once you go to Ahrefs. And then last time we did an overview of their dashboard, while today what we'll be focusing on is their site explorer tool. So let's just click on that and then we will be directed to another page where all of the important information about this tool can be found. So here is it for a quick run through. Later on, we will be discussing every point here so that we know how to utilize this tool. So unfortunately, we won't be able to access the tool itself because in order to do so, we have to have an account with Ahrefs. But later on, I'll be explaining more about that. Right now, what we have to do first is to get to know what this tool does and what it's all about. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get to know this tool, which is called the Site Explorer from Ahrefs Core Tools. So Ahrefs is claiming that this tool will let you get an in-depth look at the organic search traffic and backlink profile of any website or URL. So let's see what it does. By the way, for this specific video right here, if you want to go and have a look of the in-depth utilization of this tool, then definitely hop on over to ahrefs.com and watch it for yourself. So, moving on, it says here that the competitive research tool that you've been looking for. So, what does Site Explorer do? So, first of all, it lets you have an organic traffic research, and then we have the backlink checker as well. So, we have a specific tool or free SEO tool that you can use for free once you go to ahrefs.com, and as well as the paid traffic research. So, all in all, we know that these three factors are all very important when we're doing any SEO task because it directly affects the results of our SEO performance. So, here we go. This is a bit of a look of Site Explorer. Once you tackle the organic search, as you can see, these are graphs um, visualizing the results. So when you enter, you're gonna have to enter a specific domain. It should be right over here on this part. A domain of any website that you want to check. It can be yours, it can be your competitor, or any website really. So this is the look that you can expect once you make use of the organic search feature of Site Explorer. Let's check what the backlink profile looks like. So here we go. You can also see a few features here that you can totally make use of. And these are also results from entering a domain. So you can see here Ahrefs rank. So most probably the URL that they inputted is the Ahrefs. So these are for referring domains, referring pages. And should you need any information or if you want further understanding about what this term mean, you can, if you can see this small button here or small icon, you can hover your mouse above it, and then it will give you some quick information about what these mean. And also here, if you click on these numbers, it will expand and give you a more in-depth look of what this result is all about. So now we go to paid traffic. And here it lets you see either your or your competitors what paid traffic content is driving more traffic into their website. It can be backlinks and stuff like that. You can also filter or see the results in different countries that you're interested in. So maybe in the US or in the UK, whichever you're targeting. So here, let's go to research organic traffic. And Ahrefs, is one of the biggest SEO system in the market. There are over 150 million keywords in the US alone. So you can expect a lot more from, they have 150 plus countries. So definitely the coverage is more than enough to have or to get you results that you need to improve your SEO performance. You can see here another page where you can make use of their organic keywords tool. And then when you click here, it shows you other features as well. You can once you access the tool, you can access also these features right here on the left side. But for us, since we are not yet logged in our Ahrefs website or in our Ahrefs account, then we access or we see the different features by clicking these links below. Now we go on over to research backlinks, and we know how important backlinks are when doing SEO because they point to our website. I mean that they are being directed from other well-known and established websites so that users or interested customers or consumer will be directed to our website instead. So here you can see, you can check yours, you can check your competitors. And that's a good thing about Ahrefs because it's not only letting you see what you can improve on your website, but it also allows you an insight on how your competitor is doing and what um is driving more traffic into their website. You can make changes accordingly and improve, or better yet, make your website better than your competitors. So as usual, you can click on this ones and lets you see what the features are gonna look like when you access the tool. There we go. Research paid keywords. So it allows you to see if your competitors are buying PPC ads and what keywords they're bidding on. So if you want to know what your competitors are using for their keywords in terms of content or when they're building their website, then you can see it here. And then it also gives you all of these results that you can make use of and apply to your own content or website building. So this for PPC keywords, this for ads, and then top landing pages right here. And then below, research pages. It allows you to find out which pages on a target website have the most backlinks and social shares. So really, it's all about driving traffic into your account and knowing what your competitors are using to generate all those traffic into their website instead. So here we have research outgoing links. So you can see just from one tool alone, and they have several. From one tool alone, you're getting so much already. You're getting so many features like this. So it's not really bad at all to sign up for an account in Ahrefs because aside from this core tools, you also have the extra features and as well as the free SEO tools that you can utilize. So this is for linked domains, broken links, and then anchors. And that's it for this tool. So now how do we access Site Explorer actually? So if you're not yet convinced that you want to sign up for an account with Ahrefs, then definitely there's a way to use Site Explorer, and this is the Ahrefs Webmaster Tools. So we have a different or a specific video about this option, definitely click on over to our playlist so that you can watch that video. But signing up for an Ahrefs webmaster tool is free, and it allows you access, or limited access that is, to Site Explorer and Site Audit. So another way is, of course, to become or to subscribe to Ahrefs, and this is just a look of what their pricing is currently. So this is the details about these prices and the features that are included, I mean. And that's it for Site Explorer. Hopefully you found this review slash tutorial helpful, and that if in any case that you're interested in signing up for Ahrefs, then definitely go ahead, and we hope to see you on the next one. We will be doing more of this. The next one will be Keywords Explorer, so see you there.